Let's move to the first exercise. Question 40. Minus 7 into 3 to the power x plus 1 plus 5 to the power x plus 2 equal to minus 3x plus 3 to the power x plus 4 plus 5 to the power x plus 3. Find the value of x. The standard method for this is substitute choices. So my task is to check the choices because that is usually going to be the easier process as far as this question is concerned. And again, which choice will I start checking first? 0. Why 0? Because it's an easy number to work with. Also, it happens to be somewhere in the middle. There are two choices lesser than 0, two choices greater than 0. So the equations are minus 7. The left hand side is minus 7 raised to power into 3 to power x plus 1 plus 5 to power x plus 2. On the right hand side we have minus of 3 to power x plus 4 plus 5 to power x plus 3. So if we put x equal to 0, what do we get? So putting x equal to 0, left hand side becomes minus 7 into 3 to power 1 plus 5 square. So which is nothing but minus 21 plus 25, which is equal to 4. Right hand side becomes minus of 3 to power 4 plus 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. 3 to power 4 is 81. So minus 81 plus 125, which is 19 and 25, which is 44. Okay. So obviously these are not equal. So x equal to 0 cannot be the answer. Now the second thing is we need to reduce the gap. So the left hand side for x equal to 0, the left hand side was 4 and right hand side was 44. We want to increase the value of the left hand side. We want to increase the value of left hand side and reduce the value of the right hand side so that the gap becomes 0. Which means I will look for a value of x which is lesser than 0, which means I'll go for a negative value. Okay. Because a negative value will reduce the power of 5 significantly. Yes, on both sides also, but overall the right hand side will become lesser. Even if you don't understand it, don't worry, just start checking the choices. So the next easiest choice to check will obviously be minus 1. So even if you don't, you are not sure which direction to move into, just blindly start checking the choices. So if you put x equal to minus 1, left hand side becomes minus 7 into 3 to power 0 plus 5 to power 1. And right hand side becomes minus 3 minus of 3 to power 3 because x is minus 1 plus 5 to power x plus 3 is 3 minus 1, 2, 5 square. So left hand side becomes minus 7 plus 5, which is equal to minus 2. Right hand side becomes minus 27 plus 25 minus 2. Both of them are equal. So x equal to minus 1 is the correct answer. Mark it and move on to the next one. So the simplest way I am repeating for solving such questions, straight away start substituting the choices. Don't worry if you are not able to understand that after I check x equal to 0, should I go in the positive direction or the negative direction? Don't worry. Pick up any number, start checking them systematically and you'll get the answer. Obviously work with smaller numbers first. So my order of preference for solving this would have been 0, followed by minus 1, followed by 2, followed by 3, because bigger the number, higher will be the value of the number. The power will go up significantly. So which is why I will always prefer to work with smaller numbers.